Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will start my video a little differently. I will mix my own kind of metallic turquoise color, and what I will use Vallejo Pearl Medium, and I used acrylic inks for the first time. I will say that maybe wasn't the best idea, but you can mix your pearl medium from Vallejo with anything, with piggies, with any kind of pigments, with fluid acrylics, with any acrylics basically. So sorry, I started with this, and my mixture became kind of thin. That's why I believe that maybe this was not the best idea to start with. So I did start adding, in pastel colors, acrylic paints. I had one European composite brand, but you can use whatever brand you want. This is just some kind of greenish blue, and I add a little bit of this to thicken it up and to deepen up the color a little bit, because pearl medium is obviously pearl, so it gives a little pastel look. So I keep adding the color, and I wanted a little more on the green side, so I added a little bit of phthalo green too. I used Vallejo one. It's just, acrylic tube, acrylic paint. And after all this mixing, I added my pouring medium. You can use it with any pouring medium that you use, with glue, with Floetrol, with whatever. Just mix your color first. We had some problems with power this day, because we had finally some rain, but it was, it was not nice raining. It was a storm, and unfortunately in the middle of the video that I did a pour, something obviously went wrong, and both my camera died. But I really wanted to show you the the final result, how the color look when it dry, what kind of effects it does. That's why I will publish this video anyway. It will be just it went off just when I stopped pouring my paints with the split cup on the canvas. So I will just tell you about the colors before I start. So this is the consistency of it, kind of not thick and not thin. So my other colors beside this one were, so this one is blue green by PBO. I have Prussian blue by Amsterdam, and I have that mixture of turquoise, pearl turquoise, that we mix together, and I have just titanium white. Of course, all my paints are mixed with pouring medium, and I'm pouring those green shades in the two chambers, the out chambers of my split cup. In the middle chamber I have magenta, I have opera rose by Winsor & Newton, and I have permanent blue violet by Amsterdam. So what I was trying to do is to have this electric purple shades in the middle, and those on the sides. Everything is not always, what you plan, so it went a little differently, but I still really like the outcome. I really like the colors. So don't be mad at me that you will not see the tilting part. Yeah, so I will now let you listen to some music, and hope this video, at least with the mixing your own metallic paints, will be helpful.